When you say
Sir,
per capita income, when you say,
sir, per 100.
very good. No, before that, we'll understand what is per. Per is what?
Single
If I say
unit.
per student, per bench, per person, when I say that, it is per means for every. Yes or no? Then what is cent?
100%.
Cent is 100. That means for every 100, what is your value? That to know that is percentage. Correct? Now, if I say you, a student has got 43 marks out of 50 marks in his test, what is his percentage of score? What would you say? See, let's what is the total marks for? What is the total marks for? How much is the total marks for? Maximum marks of this
100.
test? No, no, no. I told
50.
you, 50, right? If the test was for 100 marks, how much marks you would have scored? That is to know that is my percentage. Or simply, if you want to do the percentage, what would you do? 43
By 50 into
marks
100.
scored by total marks into 100. On 50, he has scored 43. On 100, he would have scored how much? This total marks doubled. So he should have scored
86%.
correct now. Yes or no? This is how you calculate your percentage of marks. Let's say you have scored 500 marks out of 625 marks. How will you get to know your percentage? 500 scored marks by total marks times 100. Correct? Huh? That's how you do it.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So, and now before getting into that, what is 1 by 2 as a percentage? Half, if I say you, half of any number is what percentage of a number?
50%.
Very good. It is 50 percentage. Excellent. What is 1/4?
25%.
25 percentage. Very good. What is 75 percentage as a fraction?
1/3. 1 by
Nahin?
3.
Eh? No, 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 no. 75
4
percentage.
3 by 4.
The 2 by 3.
3 by 4.
3 by 4 ma. 3/4. They say na 3/4 is 3/4 full. That means 75 percentage. Yes or no? Now, if I ask you what is 62.5 percentage as a fraction, that would be difficult to tell. It's not impossible. That will be difficult. If you want to convert a percentage, sorry, a fraction to percentage, what would you do? Simply multiply that to 100. You'll get the answer. If you want to convert a percentage to fraction, what would you do? Just divide that number by 100. 75 by 100. That would be 3/4. Yes or no? And if you want to do what is 62.5 as a fraction, again 62.5 upon 100. Again, you will have to sit and start canceling things. You don't want to do that. I'll teach you a family. I'll teach you how to remember percentage, the very first sub-concept of percentage, which is called conversion. Conversion of what? Conversion of fractions to percentage and vice versa, and percentage to fraction. Right. Now, tell me what is 1 whole or 1 by 1? 1 by 1 is how much percentage? 1 whole, one complete thing.
100%.
Correct. It is 100 percentage. Tell me what should be 1 by 2? Half. You just told me.
50%.
Brilliant. It is 50 percentage. Now I'll not do 1 by 3. Let us learn it in in a particular fashion that we don't even have to forget that. If you observe, I divided 100 by 2. Correct? What happened to the fraction? Even this got divided by 2. Yes or no? This is not how a class works, guys. You have to be active. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sir, are you writing on the
Sir, I
screen?
didn't. Sir, I didn't understand your sentence.
Okay. Yeah, I'm writing on the screen. Is the screen not visible?
No,
So
the
the
screen
screen
is
is
not
not
The
visible.
screen is visible,
closed.
but it doesn't show anything you write.
Yeah.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is the screen blank?
It's showing percentages SI and CI.
Okay, give me a moment.
Now
Yes,
it's
sir. Now it's.
visible.
Oh my
Now
God.
it's.
Okay. So you people were not able to see what I was writing on the screen. Okay. My bad. I'm sorry. I thought whatever I'm writing is visible to you people. Now it's visible. So I had written so many things on the screen. I'm really sorry, guys. I was not aware that I wasn't sharing this particular window. ठीक है. So you want me to explain it again? I'll just quickly do a recap. ठीक है? I'll do a quick recap. मैं ये बता रहा था कि one moment. One whole is 100%. ठीक है ना? What is 1/2? 1/2 is got to be 50%. Okay. Now I divided this by 2. Even if you check, the fraction also got divided by 2. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Now what will happen to 1/4 now? This got divided by 2. If you check, 1/2 got divided by 2. 1/4 can be written as half of half. Yes or no? So percentage should be
25.
25%. Good. What is 1/8?
12.5.
12.5.
12.5%. If you are thinking, sir, how far do we have to remember these things? You have to remember these things till 1/20. 1/20 is good enough. It is sufficient. If you think, sir, do I have to remember all that stuff? Yes. Again, is it difficult? No. Let's check this. Again, half of 1/8. 1/16. How much is that? Half of this.
6.25.
Very good. 6.25. Fine. Now we are done with 1/2 family. 1/3 का देखेंगे. 1/3 is what?
33.33.
Very good. 33.33%. Half of 1/3.
1/6.
1/6. और ये होगा half of this. Half of 33.33. What is that?
So 16 point something.
16.66%. Half of 33.33. 16.66. Half of 1/6. 8.33.
8.33.
Very good. Okay, now this is 1/3 family. Now we'll learn 1/5. What is 1/5?
20%.
20%. Half of 1/5. 1 by
25. Or
hey,
half of 1/5.
half.
10.
10. Very good. What is 1/10? Half of this.
10%.
10%. Half of 1/10.
1/20.
5%.
5%. Good. Now this is my 1/5. Right, there you go. Now 1/7 and 1/14. 1/7 is actually interesting number to remember. Does someone know what is 1/7?
So 14 point something.
I'll tell you what is that something also, how to remember that thing. Tell me what is double of 7?
14.
14.
Double of 14?
14.28.
Correct. Easy to remember?
Yes, sir.
If you remember 1 by 7, 1 by 14 is not at all a difficult task to remember because it is half of this.
7.14.
7.14.
Exactly. Easy?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now 1 by 9 and 1 by 11 share some fascinating relation so that we can easily remember. 1 by 9 is 11.11 percentage. With this logic, tell me what should be 1 by 11?
There is a 9 point,
0.
zero, yeah, 9.09.
9.09. Close. It is 9.09. Okay. Now we are left with a couple of numbers. 1 by 13, 1 by 15, 1 by 18. All right. 1 by 13 is 7.7 percentage. 1 by 15 is 6.6. Now with this logic, the way it is going, tell me what should be 1 by 18?
So 5.5.
That is correct. 5.5 is right. Now, if you are thinking, sir, this is easy to remember. 7.7, 6.6, 5.5 is easy to remember. But how do I remember fraction? 1 by 13, 1 by 15, 1 by 18. What is 3 plus 5? I'll tell you a logic.
8.
Correct. You can remember it like that. 1 by 13, 1 by 15, 1 by 18. 3 plus 5 is 8. I remember it like that, so you can use whatever logic you want. So anyway, so two more numbers are left. Those two numbers don't share any logic, to remember. So it is okay even if you don't remember. But anyways, I'll write it. So it is 1 by 17 is 5.88 percentage. 1 by 19 is got to be 5.26%. Okay. Now this is till 1 by 20. Right? Now, also, I mean, maybe you might want to take a screenshot or something, right? Or if you are writing it on a piece of paper, write it in the same fashion. So I would better recommend you people to take a screenshot and write it later. Understood now, everyone? So far? So far, so good?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You will remember this, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if I ask you, what is 25% of 44? What will you say? Come on, guys. You can do better. You have to tell
11%.
me the answer.
11%.
Percent nahi. I'm asking you 25% of 44 number.
11.
11. Answer is bus
11.
11.
11.
What is 25% as a fraction?
1 by 4.
1
1
fourth. Yes.
One
What is 1/4 of 44? 11.
11.
Answer is 11. Tell me what is 66.66% of 99? If you know the answer, you can tell it out, or else I'll tell the answer. How do you do 66.66% of 99? आपको शायद दिख नहीं रहा होगा ये 66.66 का.
Sir, 66.
Okay.
So 16 point something.
If you
Sir,
want a hint, it is
Sir, 2/3 करेंगे तो 66% आ जाएगा.
Hanji. The answer is a whole number. It's not a fraction.
Sir, answer will be
66.
66 only.
66.66, guys. Observe. May I simply split it as 2 into 33.33? लिख सकता हूँ मैं ऐसा? 66.66 is nothing but 2 into 33.33, no?
Yes,
आपको
sir.
मुझे पता है, I know that 66.66 is not there in the table, but can you manipulate this thing in such a way that I can get a number which is there in the table? Yes, I sure can. 2 times 33.33 percentage of 99. 33.33 का value तो I know. 1/3 it is. Correct? What is 99 on 3? 33 it is. 33 into 2 is got to be
66.
66. Clear, everyone? If you are not able to find a value in the table, you'll have to manipulate it. Or also, you would have written this in other fashion also. How about this? How about this? ऐसा भी तो लिख सकते थे, है कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Then what is 11.1?
1/9.
फिर भी the answer is same only, no? Yes. Shall I go down? I think you have taken a screenshot, correct? Shall I go down? I can't write it in so much of space.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Wait a moment. %45 of 44.
So 19.8.
Okay. Just give me a moment. Okay. Now, how do you write 45% as? You can split it as? क्या हम split कर सकते हैं 45 को?
हाँ 1/4 plus 1 by एक second 1/4
Okay. So
plus 1/20.
So you have done 20% plus 25%. Is that how you are done? Is that how you have done?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
इससे आसान बनाओ मैं क्वेश्चन को. You can do this way also, but you can make the question more simpler. I'll tell you how.
Sir,
How
can
would
we do like 9 into 1/20 into 44?
easier than that? ठीक है, I'll tell you. Throw me any random 3-digit number. Let's say 176. ठीक है. If I ask you what is 100% of this number, what would you say?
176.
100% of this number is 176. If I ask you what is 10%?
17.6.
17.6, because a decimal place shifted here, the same decimal place will shift here also. It has got to be 17.6. 1% will be
1.76.
Exactly. Again, the decimal place shifted. So even here it is got to be a shift of decimal place. What I'm asking you people is 45% may be written like this. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now tell me what is 50% of 44?
22.
22.
22. Okay. If 50% is 22, 5% will be what?
2.2.
Exactly. Because now you can see a shift in decimal place. यहाँ से there is a decimal place shift. So again, there should be a decimal place shift here also. So the answer is got to be 2.2. 5% will be 2.2. Easy, no?
Yes, sir.
What is the answer then?
So 19.8.
Exactly. Easy or not?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, अगर मैं 55% पूछता तो आप क्या करते?
So 50 plus 5.
Exactly. ठीक है. Now tell me what is, solve this figure.
So 16.5.
Okay. I want others also to respond. I can just see a couple of them answering. We have very dynamic crowd here, so you people have to respond. Okay, either you can put it in the chat section as well. I'm observing that also. Anyone else?
So 16.5.
How do I split this?
25 plus 2 plus
Very good. 25% plus 2.5%. What is 25% of 60? 25% is what? Fraction.
4. 4. 1
15.
by 4.
1/4 of 60, which is 15. So if 25% is 15, 2.5% has got to be
1.5.
1.5. So the answer is right.
Sir,
Now
how could it be 1.5?
because 25%, now see here, 25% and 2.5%, how different are they? May I write 2.5% as 25% divided by 10? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, 25% का वैल्यू क्या आया था मुझे?
15.
15 by 10 क्या हो गया?
1.5.
समझ गए?
Yes, sir.
ओके. अगर मैं ये पूछता 0.25% क्या होगा? Just shift one decimal place again. It is got to be 0.15. ठीक है ना? Tell me the answer now. 62.5% of 88. हम्म इसको हम कैसे स्प्लिट करें?
50 plus
60.
12.
So 50 plus 12.5.
50% plus 12.5%. Excellent. Of 88. ठीक है. What is 50% of 88?
Half.
Half.
44.
Half.
40.
So this is half. And this is what? 12.5 is 1 by
1 by 8.
8 of 88. Chalo, what is half of 88?
44.
What is
44.
1 by 8 of 88?
11.
Answer.
55.
Is that clear, everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Last one. I'm gonna show this and we'll solve some couple of questions. Shall I give you a hint? This can be written as 5 into what?
9.9.
9.99, 9.09, na?
Yeah.
So, but you sure know what is 9.09 percentage as a fraction? What is that?
1 by 11.
1 by
Exactly.
11.
See, once you get this thing, everything becomes a piece of cake. Correct. Answer is yes. If you see any repetitive numbers like this, 45.45, 36.36 percentage, you just understand that it is gonna be in this fashion only, 9.09. And it is got to be a multiple of 9 only. This can be written as what? 4 times 9.09. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay. You're able to see the questions also no? On the left side of your screen.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
All right. Get me the answer for that question. Don't tell the answer, put it in the chat. I'll check. So if people are still solving, let them not have spoilers. The difference between the value of a number when increased by 15% and the value of the number when decreased by 30%